What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant with another BT Miners video. In today's video, we're going to show everyone how to calculate the electric cost of running miners. We do have a nifty tool on our website that shows our customers to plug their information in and find out their profit. But this video, if you want to know the process and the breakdown. When figuring out the cost of electricity, make sure you are reading the electric bills. In this case of this sample electric bill breakdown, we see the cost of delivery fee on top of supply fee, and the delivery fee alone is already almost 6 cents per kilowatt, about 50% of the 11.6 cents for the cost of electricity itself. This means the actual cost of electricity is about 17.5 cents per kilowatt hour, even though the utility company says they only charge 11.6 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, this sample is for residential rate in New York, and New York is known for the high cost of living, so most of you electricity cost is probably not going to be as high as this. But make sure you look at your utility bill breakdown when calculating the cost of electricity for a more realistic calculation. We're going to use the electricity cost at our mining farm, which is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Our 10 cents is just really 10 cents, no additional monthly charges. To calculate the cost of electricity of your miner, select the miner from our website. We're going to use the Antminer L795 MHz version. Scroll down to the specs of the miner. There are several variations of the L7 at different hash rates, so we have provided the different power consumption for different variations. Here we see the power on the wall at 25 degrees Celsius. This means if you run your miner at 25 degrees, it's expected to draw about 3,420 watt per hour. Since your electric bill charges by kilowatt per hour, we must convert the unit from our website to the unit on your bill. 3,420 divided by 1,000 to get the kilowatt consumption. And we got 3.42 kilowatt per hour. Then to calculate the cost per month will be 3.42 kilowatt per hour times 24 per day times 31 days in a month to get 2,544.48 kilowatt. At our mining farm, we charge 10 cents per kilowatt hour if you sign on with us for a full year. So that means 2,544.48 times 0.1, and the cost of electricity per month will be $254.45. You can use the same method to calculate any miner at any cost of electricity. You can even compare your cost to your earnings from the miner to decide if a particular miner is worth investing. If you're like me, you don't want to go through all that trouble of calculating costs. We have a similar tool under each miner that will help calculate your costs as well. Simply plug in the information in the chart, make sure the hash rate, power consumption, cost of electricity, and the cost of the miner is correct. Let me fix here real quick. The price of the coin at the bottom is at real time. After you plug in all the information, click calculate earnings, and here we will have our daily, weekly, monthly, and annual end. It even shows the return on investment at top, which is the number of months to make your money back at today's mining difficulty and coin price. Hope this information was clear and understandable. I hope this information was clear and understandable. If you like me, you don't want to do all that math, just go on btminers.com, click on the miner that you want, and it does the calculation for you. This is your man Ant here at BT Miners. I'll see you next time. Happy mining.